Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity. First, let's get you set up. Opening a Fidelity account is straightforward, whether you're looking for a brokerage account, an ERA, or a 529 plan. We'll walk through the simple steps to choose the right account for your financial goals. Then, we'll cover how to easily fund your new account, ensuring you're ready to begin your investing journey with confidence. Once your account is ready, navigating the Fidelity platform is next. Your personalized dashboard provides a clear overview of your investments and balances. We'll show you where to find powerful research tools, helping you make informed decisions. Then, we'll guide you to the trading section, demonstrating how to efficiently place buy or sell orders for various securities. Now, let's dive into investing. Fidelity offers a vast selection of investment products, from individual stocks and ETFs to a diverse array of mutual funds. We'll demonstrate how to execute a trade, ensuring you understand the order types available. Plus, discover how simple it is to set up recurring investments, helping you build wealth consistently over time with minimal effort. Finally, let's cover managing your Fidelity account. Regularly monitoring your investment performance and reviewing statements is crucial for financial health. We'll show you where to access these details and how to update your personal information or security settings for peace of mind. Also, for other great deals, and to check out quality products like Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.